What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Crick D in the building. You can record, edit, make a thumbnail, and upload to YouTube for free. You already know it. Vlogit, Android and iPhone. You're going to explore this as a guest. Yes. Okay, now what you can do is you can record right here from the app. See? You can record right from the app. See that? And you can stop. You're going to stop the recording. It's going to take you to the editor. Stop. Okay, now what you want to do is you're going to click the back button. It's going to ask you, do you want to save this as a draft? Yes. Okay, now you can record more, and that's if you messed up. And then you can record some more. See what I'm saying? Just record. Stop. It's going to take you there. Then you're going to click OK. Now you got two clips, just two random clips. You want to add that first clip, you're going to go to From Library, and it's right here. Add that clip. Add. Bam. Now you got your two clips on there. You can play it. Now what you can do is you can just start editing from right here. You can put your title on there. You gotta do that. Put your title, whatever title you want. You can change the color of the title. You can put a background on it. You can put a shadow on it. I ain't gotta tell you. Y'all can figure out how to work it yourself. See what? Border, background. See that? Easy peasy. Text, change the font. You can put this glitch on it. See that? You can change whatever. Random, scaling, I'm just taking you to the app. You know how to work it. You can the animations, and then once you do that, you get all your clips like you want it. You're gonna click the arrow to save it. All right. Now, you can either crop your text down, see? You put it where you want, you crop it down, however you want to do it, you can figure all that out. Now once you do that, you're gonna share your video. It's gonna export. See, export it. And you're going to have a little small watermark at the end. But I can show you how to, your boy can show you how to get rid of that. Easy peasy, lemon squeeze. That more watermark right there. And get rid of that. Okay, now it's going to ask you, do you want to upload this video to YouTube or create a thumbnail? You can, see what I'm saying? Go there, find where you want to go, and you click that create thumbnail. Bam! Then you can put your text on it. However you want to make your thumbnail. You can change the color, the border, background, etc., etc., etc. You already know how to do all that. If not, then I'll show you a video below, but this free. Now, once you're done, you're going to save it. That's your thumbnail, see? Bam, save. Where you want to save it? I'm going to save it to my camera roll. That's successfully saved. Now, you can go back, clear that, and you can save, then you can save your projects and all, and everything should be in your camera roll. Easy peasy, lemon squeeze. There's your video, and there's your thumbnail, right there. All one app, free, made by Wondershare. This is so easy. Don't take a rocket science to figure it out. And that little small watermark at the end, bam. You're gonna go to App Store or iOS, wherever, and you're gonna find you a Crib and Trop video app without a watermark. You're gonna click trim, gallery. And that video you just made, you're gonna click on that. Then once it loads, you're gonna go down to the end, and you're gonna trim that watermark out. And it's gonna download your video. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Process. And with anything free, you're gonna get the adverts. You might well watch the adverts, it's free, they looking out for you. It's still processing. And once it's processed, you should have a complete video with no watermark, one app only. One app. I'm gonna show you one more time because some people be hard-headed. It's called Vlogit. Vlogit. Android, iPhone. You can get this from your Google Play Store, or you can get this from the App Store. It's your boy Crick D. I just wanted to share this with you. You can record, edit, make a thumbnail, and upload to YouTube, all with one easy peasy, lemon squeezy, free app. And it's your boy, you already know, I'm gone!